Adding the Klarna logo to your Shopify store enhances brand credibility and informs customers about available payment options. Here's how to do it. Log into Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel with your credentials. Access Online Store. In the left sidebar, click on Online Store to expand the menu, then select Themes. Customize your theme. Find the theme you want to edit and click on the Customize button. This will open the theme editor. Navigate to footer or header. Depending on where you want to place the Klarna logo, navigate to either the footer or header section of the theme editor. Add custom content. Look for an option like Add Section or Add Content. You can choose a custom HTML or image block to upload the Klarna logo. Upload the Klarna logo. If you don't have the logo, download it from Klarna's official branding resources. Click on Upload to add the Klarna logo image file. Adjust settings. Resize the logo as necessary and ensure it fits well within the layout. You might want to add a link to Klarna's payment information page for customer convenience. Save changes. Once satisfied with the placement and appearance, click Save to apply your changes.